Look at an extract from Great Expectations by Charles Dickens. At first glance, there's nothing exceptional about it. We see, hear, and read all sorts of information every day, including, but not limited to, news headlines, recipes, YouTube comments, novels, and text messages. But what about now? Anything extraordinary? Excuse the pun, but I've removed the articles from the article. I could make that pun because I knew my parts of speech. And if another part of speech, nouns, are removed, then verbs? Of but did she well. At about this, I that he in, as to myself, I all in and. I to that I my new to his, and he ecstatic, on my so him, I my for him and he to it. Basically a mix of pronouns, prepositions, and conjunctions. It doesn't make sense. And what happens when all parts of speech are removed? What remains? This effectively demonstrates that without parts of speech, there is no English. So, reason number one why parts of speech is important: without parts of speech, there can be, no speech.